That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, Moto Gadget, top of range stuff from Germany. Okay, this particular unit's called the M unit. Okay, motorcycle unit, digital control unit to simplify running on motorcycles. But basically with this, I don't know if you can see that, but you've got turn signals left and right. Okay, these are all your little sub-circuits. Okay, start, everything's all built in. That's all you need. No extra relays, anything. All completely electronically done. Okay, now here, as you can see, set up, start ignition on 3 times on the horn, and that will basically program it. This goes from here, press the horn briefly 4 times to change the menu to the next one, to the next one, to the next one, and you can set it, for instance, how long the indicators are on, what you want it to do. It's very, very programmable. Now, you've also got another unit called the Bluetooth M unit, or M Blue, and that particular unit allows you to do it all on a computer or with your mobile phone. So you like going to menu 1, how long you want the indicators on, all this sort of stuff, rather than having to press a button and a horn and everything else. So that is another unit. It's obviously a bit more complicated, but very cool. And as you can see, very simple to use. Comes with everything you need. So my friend Nigel always uses these, loves them. These ones here, they weren't on about phasing them out, but to be honest with you, there's less to go wrong with these than a Bluetooth one, if you ask me. A motorcycle and vibration, especially on hard, isn't the ideal combination. But very simple to use, as you can see, active. Tells you what all these do: side stand input, parking light, brake light configuration, continuous light fade in and out, flashing, 8-time flashing, 2-time flashing, M1 light. You can really use it with a built-in alarm. You've got lights configuration, lights on after engine start. It's literally limitless what you can do with this thing. Very, very cool if you're building a shop, and very small. So if you're interested, give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.eu or .com. Thank you.